video I'm going to show you how to create a validation list in Microsoft Excel 2003. First of all, go to Start, All Programs, and I need to press Microsoft Office and find the correct office I'm allowed to use, or which I will be using. 2003, so if you're using 2007 or 10, it's going to be a bit harder to find certain functions, so make sure you're using 2003. Open it and you'll get a blank page, empty cells and all sorts. You'd want to open the document you'd like to put the validation list into. File, Open, and mine's called Video Showing My Documents, so I'd open that. Here is my table. It's about crimes in different TV shows, and this is what a validation list will look like when it's completed. You get a little arrow popping up the side, and it'll give you a drop down list of crimes that I've chosen in a range. If you press one of them, you can get option, or it'll pop up in the specific cell. Next to it, you can add all sorts of calculations for when that says assaults. You can make it give you the total of all the crimes, and that would be 798 in that specific cell, but I'm not going to show you in this video, maybe another time. To create this validation list, I'd start a new page, and then you want to select a specific cell on your table and press it once, and then you go to Data, Validation, and you've got the validation criteria. You want to go down to Allow, and then press any value, the arrow next to it, and scroll down to List. Press List, and a few more options will pop up. Leave those ticked, and obviously you can't change that one. And then you'd want to press this little red arrow to select the range of things you would like to be in the drop down list. I'm going to do the ones in crime again. You can either highlight them all, be a lot quicker than holding control and pressing one by one, so I'm just going to highlight them all quickly. Once done, you can either press enter or press the little arrow. Once you press the arrow, you get the option pop back up, the same as you would when pressing enter. Don't worry about input message or error alert because you're making a list. Press OK, and then like the results, you get the little arrow pop up next to it to show you that it works. There you go. All the crimes, the range I'd chosen, assaults, explosions, etc, etc. If I press explosions, it will pop up in that specific cell. When creating this list and using the source bit, the source is collecting the range of items that will be in your drop down list, making things more easier for you to input data. Saves you a lot of time instead of typing it all out manually. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun.